Today, December 25th, 2020, is 12 months of DIY micro locks. My hair is 12 months. 12 months. Lockiversary of my hair. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. Stay tuned so you can see all of the recap and get into what my hair is looking like right
It's
now.
Tiffany Miss Clark, and she's married to the camera, baby.
If it's looking like this, it's the beginning of a wash day. Wash day. So, ACV in a spray bottle, clarifying shampoo diluted with water, rubber bands to braid and band my different sections. Let's get into the last wash that I will do on my hair for the year of 2020. So as you can see right here, I have my hair sectioned off, but it's not exactly braided and banded. I just kind of stopped braiding and banding because it was a little time consuming and my hair was locking. So I just began putting it in different sections because that would help me when I would go through for my retie. I would do it section by section. It's definitely braided and banded. That was in the beginning, but now because it's, matured a little bit more, all I do is just put the hair in sections. I go through, make sure I don't have anything catching or pulling, like small pieces of hair that may pop when I wash. I just make sure I can run my hands through it, and then I wash my hair. Here I'm just showing you a quick basket weave style that I did on my hair. People, that is a wrap. That is 12 months of my DIY micro locks. I will catch you on my next video.
I bet you wanna like me. I bet you wanna own me.